Hello! Today, we're learning a special way to fold your t-shirts. Quick, neat, and life-changing. Does your closet feel messy? Let's fix that. This method takes just 2 seconds, almost like magic. Laundry piles shrink, drawers look beautiful. You'll feel a spark of joy every time you open your closet. Are you ready to change your relationship with laundry? It starts with one t-shirt and a simple, elegant fold. Grab a t-shirt and let's begin. You're about to learn a fold that will transform your space. Ready? Let's get started. First, prepare your t-shirt. Lay it flat, front up, collar to your left, bottom to your right. This setup is key for a quick, easy fold. Now imagine 2 invisible lines. Line A runs down from the middle of the shoulder to the bottom hem. Line B goes across the middle. These lines guide your hands for a perfect fold. Next, find 3 points. Point 1, on the shoulder, halfway between collar and sleeve, on line A. Point 2, where line A and line B cross in the center. Point 3, at the bottom hem, also on line A. Touch each point, 1, 2, 3. This is your folding map. Review, t-shirt flat, collar left, line A down the middle, line B across, 3 points found. Your hands are ready. This preparation ensures every fold is precise. With these points, you're set for the magic fold. Take a breath and focus. The right setup makes all the difference. You're about to see how easy folding can be. Remember these points. They're the secret to a perfect fold every time. Ready for the next step? Let's move on to the magic. Your t-shirt is prepped, your hands are set. The folding transformation is about to begin. Let's make folding effortless. You're ready for the magic to happen. Let's go. Now let's fold. Pinch point 1, shoulder, with your left hand. Pinch point 2, center, with your right hand, through both fabric layers. Your arms will cross. This is correct. Cross your left hand over your right, bringing point 1 down to point 3, bottom hem. Now, your left hand holds both point 1 and point 3. Right hand still holds point 2. Lift the shirt up, let it hang. Give it a gentle shake to let the fabric fall into place. You'll see a rectangular shape forming. Lay the shirt back down, folded side down, sleeve underneath. The shirt is now a long strip. Fold the last part with the sleeve over to complete the rectangle. That's it, a perfectly folded t-shirt. Admire your work. This is the magic 2-second fold. It's ready to be stored. You've just learned a skill that will save you time and space. Practice this move and it'll soon feel automatic. The hard part is over. The rest is easy. Enjoy the satisfaction of a neat, tidy fold. You did it. Let's keep going. Next, let's practice. Your first try might not be perfect, and that's okay. The movement can feel awkward, but every new skill takes practice. Be patient and enjoy learning. Grab 5 old t-shirts to practice. Lay them out, fold one, unfold, and repeat 5 times. Focus on your hand movements and the feel of the fabric. Try to make each fold smoother and faster. Move to the next shirt and repeat. By the end, you'll feel more comfortable. Make it a game. Can you fold faster each time? Use a timer if you like. Start slow, then speed up as you get confident. Soon your hands will remember the steps. Folding will become quick and automatic. You'll be able to fold a pile of laundry in minutes. If you struggle, take a break and try again later. Watch a video or review the steps if needed. The key is to keep a positive attitude. Tidying should be joyful. This fold is a tool for less stress and more joy. Keep practicing and you'll be a folding expert in no time. Remember, progress is what matters. Celebrate each improvement. Practice turns this fold into second nature. Soon, you'll fold without thinking. Enjoy the process. Let's move on to storing your shirts. Now that your t-shirts are folded, let's store them to spark joy. Stand your folded shirts upright. Don't stack them flat. Standing shirts let you see every one at a glance, like books on a shelf. If your rectangle is long, fold it in half again to make a compact packet. The goal? A small, sturdy fold that stands on its own. Test it. If it stands, it's perfect. Arrange shirts in your drawer from front to back. Organize by color for a pleasing gradient. This makes choosing outfits easy and calm. No more digging through messy piles. Standing shirts stay wrinkle-free and breathe better. You're showing your clothes respect. Your drawer becomes a happy home for your shirts. Every time you open it, you'll feel peace and accomplishment. Order and beauty. This is the true goal of tidying. It's not just about neatness, but creating a joyful space. Enjoy your organized drawer. You've made your space beautiful. Let's keep the joy going. Ready for a fun challenge? Try the 1-minute tidy challenge. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Pick a spot that needs tidying, maybe a chair or dresser top. When the timer starts, fold as many t-shirts as you can using the magic fold. Work quickly but neatly. Focus on the rhythm. Pinch, cross, lift, fold. Don't worry about perfection. Just make progress. When the timer rings, stop and admire your work. You'll be surprised how much you can do in a minute. A messy spot becomes calm and organized. Try this challenge daily to keep your space tidy. It's a quick, satisfying way to stop clutter before it grows. Do it while waiting for the kettle or before bed. This 1-minute habit keeps your space joyful and tidy. Tidying becomes a quick, fun game. Small actions add up to big results. You're building a habit that lasts. Enjoy the burst of tidying energy. Keep your space joyful, 1 minute at a time. Let's finish with the magic of a tidy life. Mastering this simple fold can truly change your daily life. It starts with your drawers and closet, organized, beautiful, and easy to use. You save space and time, every shirt is visible and accessible. This small change brings calm and control to your day. The habit spreads. Soon you'll want to organize other areas too. It's about caring for your things and creating simple, effective systems. The confidence from folding inspires you to tidy more. Tidying becomes joyful, a way to create a home you love. Folding is a calming ritual, a moment to be present. The rhythmic motion soothes your mind. These quiet moments reduce stress and bring peace. Tidying isn't just about a clean house, it's about a peaceful mind. Embrace this fold, practice it, and make it part of your routine. Share it with your family and see the ripple effect. A tidy fold leads to a tidy drawer, a tidy room, a tidy mind, and a tidy life. This is the life-changing magic of tidying. It all begins with a single joyful fold. Thank you for joining this journey. Keep folding, keep smiling. Enjoy your tidy, joyful life.